I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's snowing. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's your girl, MissNaturalShay. I don't know why my camera wants to keep turning off. I already turned my Bluetooth off, so it's not connected to my phone. And now it just is steady turning off. Like, you don't want to talk. You don't want me to talk to my people? Well, y'all, I ain't even put no moisturizer on. Look at these lips. Ooh, they. I got that Bath and Body Works night mask on. This be getting me right. It'll help me when I'm out there working out outside. It's snowing, and guess what I'm about to do? Go work out. I worked out this morning inside, now I gotta do it outside. I'm really husky. Like, let me get some righteous butter. Let me get some righteous butter for these hands. These crusty. And they're not really crusty. They just dry as all get out. Yo, it's 34 degrees right now. My car is registering 33. And I got my big bear with me. My big bear, baby. I got 2 layers on up top. 2 layers on at the bottom. I got 2 pairs of sweatpants on. Like, I ain't playing. I'm about to walk it out. I'll walk it out. I'll walk it out. I'll walk it out. But yeah, y'all, it's time to get it done. Time to get it done. So I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit later. Let's get this workout in. I ain't stopping this person from riding the bike. Okay, the snow ain't stopping. He said I'm gonna still ride my bike. He still gotta get from A to B. Wherever he going. And he might just be doing exercise like I'm about to be doing out here on this track. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna talk to you later. Love you. Peace. Well, I done completed my second workout for today. 45-minute workout to be exact, out here in the snow. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. It wasn't as bad as it seems, as you would expect. But you never know until you get out here and do it. All right, y'all. Love y'all. See you.